Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Excel for Updated. Start by opening Excel, choosing a blank workbook or template, and naming your file. Next, create clear headers and format columns for dates, numbers, or text. Freeze the top row so labels stay visible while you scroll. Save early and often, and enable Auto Recover to protect your work. These basic steps make building spreadsheets faster and less stressful for everyday tasks. To analyze data efficiently, learn the core formulas and functions in Excel. Start with SUM and average for totals and means, and count to tally entries. Use $ for absolute references when copying formulas across rows or columns. For conditional logic, learn IF, and for lookups use VLOOKUP or combine index and match for more flexibility. Practicing these functions will turn raw data into useful insights quickly and confidently. Formatting and charts help your data tell a clear story without extra explanation. Apply number formats for currency or percent and adjust decimal places for consistency. Use conditional formatting to spotlight highs, lows, or duplicates so patterns jump out. When data needs visual context, insert a column, line, or pie chart and customize labels and colors for clarity. Clean formatting and well-chosen charts make your spreadsheets easier to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.